Good afternoon. This is Robert with Blockchain Education. Today we're going to take a look at Blockchain Education's auto trading system. Now the first question you'll have is, what is auto trading? Auto trading is basically where you have an exchange at a large account, such as Binance, Kraken, Coinbase, etc. KuCoin is another one, Bybit, and you choose a signal. Now this is all within our website. So let's go to Hot Signals and take a look at what the recent results were. Now this is on Binance, Binance.com, which is an international site. So these are the hot signals. They're based on a short time frame, pretty reactive, a good prolific signal type, fully automated. So these are called calls that are made by an algorithm. So when the algorithm sees that this condition, we'll call it condition A, this other condition, condition B, and say condition C are all met, then it will make the call, and then the price goes up. So what we have is we have a date stamp. This is UTC time and the date and how many minutes have elapsed or hours or days since the call was made. The newest ones are at the top. So basically we're looking at specifically Secret, which is probably the number 1 or number 2 gaining coin in the last 24 hours on Binance, in USDT pairs that is, has gone up 5.77% in 3.5 hours. So a lot of these aren't ripe yet. Ripe meaning they haven't reached their full potential. So we go down, if we want to really see what's happening and treat these coins fairly, or treat the auto trading system fairly as far as its results, we go back down at least a few days. We scroll down. So here's one, Render, which was just called against Bitcoin 13 minutes ago. Render has already done, let's see if I can find it again. Yeah, Render USDT has done 14% in 1 day and 3 hours basically. So now that we get past the 1 day mark, we see these percentages. This is how much percentage in profit you would have made if you had gotten into these through the auto trading system. 31% on ACA. This one hasn't really done much. AGIX 7.3, FIS 18%, AGIX BTC 3.92, and so on. So that's what these all mean, and of course this middle column is the pair, the pairing. So some of these are against BUSD, which is Binance's stablecoin, but FYI, the CFX USDT pair would do exactly the same as Bitcoin's stablecoin, 4.6%. So any of these could have been gotten into against USDT as well, and you would have gained the same amount. For some reason it called BUSD. It liked the looks of that one. Maybe it had 2 out of 3 conditions that weren't met on the USDT pair, but maybe all 3 of them met at the right time on the BUSD pair. So kind of splitting hairs there, but anyway. So good ones here, and all the rest look really good. Starting in the late 1 day area, 1 day, 22 hours, 23 hours. We're at 2 days here. These are all doing well. And that is pretty much an overview of the hot signals. Let's go up and see what we can do. With the medium long. So we'll go to medium long results. Take a look at that real quick. So medium long results. There we go. So this is based on 4-hour candles, and these are doing really well, coming right out and going up. So if we go back a week, 8, 9 days, nearly all of these are doing high numbers. Now the ones that don't do anything after a couple of weeks, those are probably just best stopped out, because the longer you stay in a medium-term trade, it's just not good for the flow of time versus money. So we do have a stop loss available that looks like, let's go into the settings. I'll show you what the settings look like. So when we turn these on, we have numbers in there. You can put 500 or $50 per trade, or 40, or whatever you might have. And then you can put in your API key from the exchange that you're using. You can choose to use trailing profit, or you can use normal take profit. This was set at 7% prior at an earlier date. I was using it. And you can put a stop loss in. So if you want to do something like 7% profit, or if it loses 2%, just get out and make a new one, get into the next call, that would work extremely well too. We do seem to be entering a bullish market as far as Bitcoin goes, so there's going to be a lot of action from altcoins here moving into the second and third quarter of this year. The third quarter is supposed to be especially great because money printing is predicted to cause Bitcoin just to go absolutely nuts. So something to look forward to. And if you are interested, join Blockchain Education and get an education, learn how to trade crypto, or just use our auto trading system and make gains that way. Take care. Be sure to comment and leave any questions or just comment. Bye.